the picture be send the Bismarck. Kwame Abantia fans Chelsea Freeman out in picture 2 screens and make us say we're Liberian international.
Sure.
And Nyeri become the Kwame now can say Chelsea Freeman and make us Abantia the work ethic and else from Medasi and who Abantia he is a Liberian international. And let's not forget say Ghana Premier League in Bida.
Oh, okay.
2020-21 season no interlies. So there is somebody that
on the
Premier League all those interlies and shut am for like Victorian Jen Adebayo Okaya brand Nigerian international or by the Ghana Premier League to lead the league by stormer. Each and every big club in the league no more power brand Abante reading and shut am for the Chelsea Freeman. Be wako na Watanga FC. Nana Branton and only the vice captain, Edema the Lone Star, that's the Liberian national team, only on vice captain. And then they all buy into the Ghana Premier League. And so I make Okaya in 2004. Heart of Lions Korea on the eve of the top 4 signed a Liberian international in Brazil. And record Brazil Diana Obayano Obaji the best player in the Coca-Cola top 4 in 2005 Diano. About the best player in that tournament. And now we are so a joint top scorer in that tournament. And the history of Ghana football, one of the only Liberian international with me started and about the screen so we didn't board for any nostalgia more like say Akai Abante because because during that day was 2 goals and one of those goals got 42 center and yeah good upper and I'm walking off the picture give them and then they top 4 7 Another Liberian international ever out of Lions Abim and Abante can they be able to duplicate Abante friend and say Bob Zero ever Ghana Premier League when answer one ever writing his own story. Because one thing I know so Bob Zero then after the top 4 next team would they ever Abante on the side and after that tournament yeah sure who Abante and Abim in the Ghana Premier League because now from one bench to the other but they figure Premier League and one thing the America said league be able to the quality of the players league a 2 point when you have expatriate and foreign players are about to kill themselves in the league now a boy and league a 2 point and we've seen a lot of foreign players that buy in the league or making sure said they and a call out international teams or Mukoko represent very well and the Harry Traore and the likes Omba Ashgood actually some quality also Sulama Abdullah one of those players may so rest in peace of why Emma Ghana Premier League now come Burkina Faso here because none the more how folk for those Congolese players ever where great or Tanganom on Varai Ovuka those players came to the Ghana Premier League on modern Emma a new baby now Ghana the national team of Congo no mu jam Asia kan more I'm a tour and put the Ghana send because Abante where for me is one of the best ever foreign players Ghana League 8 million for somebody to account the Ghana Premier League not just 6 months and a half season pay and get the best player of the league actually the quality Abante no class Chelsea Freeman where is the kind of the Ghana Premier League yeah say this time never come Edema Abante now moving on Nurudeen Nakamura then Nazuba Eka Abante on the quality and what you could have afforded to have a football corner. Only Abante Modiba Sin Chaya. At the point in time, he was elected as a captain of the football corner. Actually, said he is a leader. A leadership one tenor, Yanton Elsto. You can either be born with it and answer your family. I thought a month for me trying to confer leadership on some people. The blue on the money they say follow. Obedi month for a cheap, but so only domain no. And then the and Kano. And Nakamura know one of those players like we see so the park and so how one know see a between the pass the chance on the field of play no. Emmanuel were one of those players that will shoot on in for the countries of our football corner. The injuries are same way. Eye player be said they are on the so betty because players and the English are sell pa na otifia na we because without English a beer and the level and that's what we do do and Nurudeen Aziz will do now at some point in time after say how for now Benjamin Avu to Kotemum Eko Now those players need the team say and never to air corner or betting air balls for D position on active and the Aziz Nurudeen by Bantero injuries after injuries. I'm an Bantero has for say and and for me I think that it shouldn't sit down say beer or call the take card like M1.
Information I may pick no. With me join Aduana.
Any bad. Me let's come below retire at this time because I bet the qualities that I make and I thought the environment now one India and an angel and there are more multiple examples of betting me give it to players or more ever team India and Enfa injuries and for Ebaya and Enfa for Momo. They moved on to a different club. They were able to pick up their form once again. And we didn't then able to Aduana Stars, different environment, different pressure altogether. Then the Aduana Stars team are on a rebuild. And all on the pressure will not be like other folk team I need. They're also trying to rebuild, but the pressure has folk gonna different from Aduana Stars. The Aduana Stars for me, I think if they get in the top 4, they're okay. But as a team now, they are back from the top 4, and they will not want to get in the top 4. They want to win a league. Although say where there's some coach Eka, Eka said has to be a junior. Or more try to get a club an identity. The club like other folk, and not giving it an identity, any year. It's about the substance. They waiting Aji on the doorstep of the club any year. Cause in and the 9 the league, Aji the FA class and there we are. Now any second, I don't think any other folk support anybody say or the second on the league level. Now got Kwaji Dio or Manua. All they want is for other folk to win a league. Into a player now with that team one. The pressure will always be on it. If you injury air back, when you time and farm and when the young players and number that position and the football corner, there are players that you see some gym ACA, you could see the energy and everything else. So Tivolos Collison, and they Rafael Ponsa, all these players are man number 6 position or Nyamot from the Aduana Stars a team or qua, it can help him for him to be able to captain the form once again. Now how's team no when that game now coming? One thing I ask here when you bet the goal scorers and air cano Frank Duku Abora now Mekane starts heading into the new season because for a player no vision not pressure on any throw. Ne end the season no 3 goals per in more than 20 matches and no just one assist on. No record that it was for you to be able to use that one to play for a club like that is other folk. But as player paying for every something in him. Maybe they thought said they can be able to find team because age-wise, are better on the side. But no, the first unofficial game for the club, what team I go at my club and it bet me up the confidence, But me are better no so akwan so tell of 8 team that's obena. When one man and arm team I day. Because to manwa and would be nema kashala Ramos friendly games kwano goals from a share and my football could also pa and they share league in Arsenal. Now the those players one goal community and share my football kono. Can you see some by in friendly games? We all saw their input for the clubhouse folk. But league in the chance not those players were nowhere to be found. But they do about the first game he is able to get onto the score sheet. Well, more cap and all the other folk supporters, would want them to win, and they won it. But now for the last 2 years, they were more cap, almost match and so. But Brentford want to make the say he would use that one to be the springboard that will support him to the greater heights because this club of the America a lot of strikers in recent years as well as some everybody the blue one man no but not doing any because in the way the blue can have some Ishmael Ado but Ishmael Ado no for hours and an neighbor it's not like something to say the top better any PM to their club one twist carton pa why don't go take a say on top and buy Ishmael Ado Ebano he came and the goals and everything was from him. And they will be recent as about film in a buy and a film air banner. No need that deal, sir. But our film ever G the goal king or member of the house football column. Mark my oath to a buy or a buy make sure say the goal king was his and when out my oath to a players recent years house for air the ACM FM and after my oath to echo That's players from everybody no. Almost sure any striker beer or should have double figures. The last player make more double figures. Could be junior. And I have this Becca on the first season now. More bear 12-13 goals. We almost see almost all the strikers outside Ebano. On by the end in Tamsa and then Frank Duku Eban this the club over and Oba and so on. Number 9 number 4 also is special number 9 you know and overall edit to 34 days you know edit Ashanos and da about 10 go to Kwame and the Isa half for Mompai Mabanten. Yeah, because over the first season for the club no do ye and the team no me not platform you met me biano no one time me can say how the Isa one of those players other Ghana for as a whole and in general I was say you invested in the boy in the sense that on say on my muano preach the young lucky so that they cannot come midfield department and anytime be on my Ghana record tournament no me midfielders and also pa defense so sir they be a lucky anyone no and to make a house code be a assembly or say the striking department a general problem of the country. Now for quite a lucky and to say and then Ghana and strike a young one as such and the watcher said or that goal score instinct, that killer instinct because the first is enough, then it's here panai, left up panai, right up panai, and one thing about strikers I mean almost very good striker come and the position on the field of play. And under his son was had an abandoned actually when the position they come and composure or the first and second and the first goal and has second goal up. I just have folk for and now abandoned backer but nobody the club going for it and I'm abandoned up about on getting the second goal for the club has a folk.